Journalist AI. This is a tool that I stumbled across maybe 3 months ago, and I saw it, I glanced over it, and immediately I'd say, okay, that's something I gotta circle back around on. And I've had a chance to circle back around on it. And I've actually been using it for about a month now. And I'm happy to speak on it because I've used it and I see the potential. Let's just dive right in. Let's take a look at it. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to create a blog with this software. I mean, it's super easy. Take a look at their plans. They have a solo plan. You get 100 credits per month, limited auto blogs. You get the internal and external linking feature. You get Google auto indexing. It connects to the web. You get the integrations. You get 150 plus supported languages. You get featured in article images, YouTube videos, auto keyword research, and up to 500,000 words per month. In the business plan, it's $79 a month. You get 200 credits, and you get everything in the solo. So this is the most popular plan. Most people go with this one because it's 1,000,000 words a month. Agency plan, which is $259 a month, also caters toward those that are looking to create a agency business. It's 1,000 credits per month. You get 2.5 million words per month, unlimited sub accounts. So this is perfect for agencies or a solo entrepreneur that just has a blog and you want to just create unlimited blog posts. So again, $39, $79, and $259. That's billed yearly. When you bill it monthly, it's a little bit higher. They also have a pay-as-you-go plan. You can purchase these credits at a higher rate, or 80 cents a piece. You get all the features of the solo except for the integrations, and these credits do not expire. Okay, let's take a look here. We're going to look at the link building section. You can purchase backlinks directly from here. They also have auto linking, where you can go in and you can auto link this platform to wherever you want your blog post to go. And that's the meat and the potatoes. It sets up everything perfectly. And I'm going to show you why here in just a second. So you have the social media syndication. It's all automated. You customize how often to post, and you can direct links to your website from the social media. Blog automation, same thing. You connect to your blog, 100% automated, easy configuration, and you get relevant content based on how you set it up, and it just runs on its own. So you can see here, they have 4 different sections of articles that you can generate for your business. You can have a general SEO article, you can have a news, you can have Amazon single product review article, and you can have YouTube, where you essentially turn your YouTube videos into blog posts. I'll click on it to kind of see how it works. Essentially, you just come in here, you add your YouTube video URL. There's advanced options here. You can have custom instructions. You can change the language to whatever language you'd like. You can format the heading, letter, and case. You can create the size of the images you want. Amazon, you can go in a single product. You put the URL in here. You put your tracking ID, your affiliate link. It's pretty simple, straightforward formatting. Auto translate, again, you can do it in multiple languages if you want and generate the articles. And that's pretty much it with that. You can generate news. So you can give it a topic to search for. And then you can go down here, and this is where you can format it. The different features are pretty much the same as before, except now you see you have a target country where you want to target these articles, right? Yeah, formatting, sources. Sources is enough. You can actually add website URLs that you want this to specifically target. It even has this nice little filter here where you can actually go in and pull recent and relevant sources, stay up to date with the latest news. So this is a really good feature here. Images, same. Auto translate, again, same. You can pick what language, secondary language. You can generate multiple articles on the same topic in different languages. That's really cool. Okay, so we'll go into general and SEO article. This is where I've been operating here to start. I like it. You can have a monitor where you monitor certain keywords, or you can create a keyword and a title. You put in your focus keyword, you can create a title, or you can upload an Excel file if you like. You can target the country, the language. You also have control over the creativity of the YouTube channel here. This is huge. They'll fetch videos from this channel and they'll embed the videos. So if you have a YouTube channel and you write an article on a certain subject, on something that you put on YouTube in a video, they'll embed your YouTube channel. There's your backlink back to a video. And now you're getting cross-reference, and now you're getting authority. Okay. And it also has the auto translate feature, which again, this is really huge from an SEO perspective. The ability to create multiple articles in different languages is very huge. Power of being able to create multiple language articles at once. So this is very huge right here. And all translated articles are free of charge. I don't know where else you can get this. And I plan on using this a lot because there's other countries or people that are interested in the same information. Like I'm in the United States. There's people in other areas that would like to hear what I'm talking about, but they don't understand it because there's a language barrier. Well, now I can speak to them. Really huge. This is a huge feature. And this is one that really got me. And I was like, okay, I want to talk about this on Optimize Earnings. And so here I am today. And yeah, I'm recommending this software. There's ways to optimize your business where you just actually go in and take a look at what you're doing currently and then improve on that. And so we can look at areas of deficiency and things like that. And that's what we'll be doing here on Optimize Earnings. We'll just take scenarios and we'll go in and look at deficiencies. We'll also talk about other tools that you can use, paid and free, on this channel. Again, this is a paid tool, but it is huge. If you're interested in blogging, if you're currently blogging, if you want to find a way to generate a new source of income as a freelance blogger or content creator, here you go. Journalist AI. Do your due diligence. Look into this. This is my recommendation for a new opportunity to generate income or a new opportunity to solidify what you have already built in your blogging space and writing space to help you optimize your time and produce better results. Again, this is Charles Lemon with Optimize Earnings. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about this. If you have any questions or anything else you'd like me to talk about here going in the future, there is a link in the description I'm going to leave where you can actually take a look at this software and decide if this is something that works for you and your business. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. This is my first video, so if you're here, you're one of the few. We will get better over time. And I'm a little bit under the weather today, so my voice may sound a little raspy, but thank you for tuning in and take care.